With all of these options available to us, how do we choose the best one or ones? Based on a number of factors, of course. In many situations, training programs rely on multiple methods, as each one has its strengths and weaknesses. To start, we should consider whether training needs to be guided by the organization or by the employees, and whether it should focus on broad competencies that are useful across a variety of jobs and situations, or on context-specific KSAOs and behaviors. Then consider the learning outcomes, the learning environment, and support for transfer. The training methods we choose need to be aligned with these elements of the training context. And of course, we'll also need to choose methods that are affordable and effective for our training situation. Now that you are more familiar with some of the training methods that we might choose, learn more about the differences between guided and social learning methods, and between competency-based and context-based methods at the bottom of this Canvas page.